Assalamu alaikum. I am giving a shout out to the South Asian community, especially my friends and clients in Pakistan. My name is Richard Toscano, and for those of you who do not know me, I have been practicing law in the United States as an American lawyer for 30 years and representing the Pakistani community for all of this time. I specialize in three major areas: immigration, with a concentration in deportation cases, and also EB-5 investment visas for those who want to invest in a business in the United States, accident cases, including medical malpractice for those who suffer permanent issues as a result of a doctor not properly doing his job, or construction accidents if you fall off a ladder or get hurt doing your job, auto accidents, and defective products, and criminal cases if, for example, unfortunately you or one of your friends or loved ones happen to have an issue with the police, both in the state of New York and New Jersey or the federal authorities. We handle these cases also. A common issue affecting not only the Pakistani community and South Asian community specifically, but also all immigrants in general, are deportation issues. And this frequently happens when someone comes to the United States and either they do not have status, or even if they have a green card, you're not free from worries about deportation. You can commit fraud and be put into deportation proceedings. You can commit a crime and be put into deportation proceedings. And deportation means if the government can successfully prove their case, you'll be deported from the United States. However, if you have a good lawyer, there are options. I've handled deportation cases for 30 years. In deportation, for example, if you had a green card for 7 years and you're a person of good moral character and you're accused of some fraud, there are ways that you can preserve your green card. If you've never had a criminal problem and you've been here for 10 years and you have citizen children or parents or a husband or wife, there are ways that you can stay in the United States. So there are what are called waivers, where because of the time that you've been here and your family connections and the problems you may have if you would go back to Pakistan or your native country, there are ways to get waivers here in the United States. And finally, if you're the member of a religious minority or you have some political problems going back to your native country, there are ways that you can apply for political asylum or withholding of deportation. So just due to the fact that you're put into deportation, all is not lost. You can get a good attorney and defend yourself in the case, and inshallah, preserve your green card for you and your family. If you need my information, it will be provided on the screen. Thank you, shukriya, and we'll be talking soon.